Good day, Cameron Sillings out here at Heritage Ford in Corydon, Indiana. I live here locally. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2010 Toyota Tacoma. This one's got the TRD Sport package. So what you're going to get in that, we're going to get these wheels, and as you can also see, look at these sweet tires they put on there. But you're going to get these wheels. Back here in the bed liner with this package, you got a charging port. Comes in real handy. You're going to get biosensing shocks. Here's what the inside looks like. You also are going to get this hood scoop in this package. And this is their highest package for back then. Back then it went just Toyota Tacoma, then you could get an SR5, a TRD Off-Road, and then a TRD Sport. Is what all you could get in those back then. Here's the inside of it. And here's crew cab, 4-wheel drive. Really nice truck. Here's how I know it's a really nice truck. You see that one right there? Exactly the same as this one. That's my truck. So same thing, TRD Sport package, same color, silver sky metallic. Really nice vehicle, and you'll know that whenever you hear a salesman at a Ford dealership telling you. Again, we're Heritage Ford out here in Corydon, Indiana. I'm Cameron. I live here locally. And we are not paid on commission, we are salary. We're going to take this thing out for a spin real quick. It's got the V6 in it. You get a pretty good gas mileage in these. I get about 20 overall. Oh, let's get some air cranked. Oh yeah. Now there is something, mine's a 2015, there is something cool that you get on these that you cannot get on my 2015. Outside temperature. You cannot get that on any 2015 Tacoma.
Keaton Mess. Coming up this week on Those Street Radio.
See if we got anything good playing.
Boxes are O'Neill. Nothing down, enjoying no interest.
Nope. Alright, we're going to punch it up here in just a little bit. Good, got good brakes, runs good. Smooth ride, a little bit rougher than mine, but there's trade-offs. These tires look good, but they ride a little bit rougher. But man, do they look good. I'm going to have to get me some of those on mine. Probably cost me a G to do it though. Those are not cheap tires. I guarantee you those are $300 each. Yeah, she's purring like a kitten. camera back. And then just to show you, also this one does come with the backup camera right there. So here we are. I'm gonna go park it real quick. Really nice truck. Obviously I highly recommend them. And then if you go look it up, in 2010 I believe it was a Jeep Wrangler. Now in 2015 it was the Toyota Tacoma, but Kelley Blue Book #1 in resale value. On my 2015 it is. In 2010 I believe this one, because I've researched all of them, I believe this one's #2 behind Jeep Wrangler. So really nice vehicle. Again, here it is. Again, I'm Cameron Sillings out here at Heritage Ford. I'd love you to help you with it. I should be able to answer about any one of your questions. I know quite a bit about these. Again, we're at Heritage Ford out here in Corydon, Indiana. I do live here locally. Again, we're non-commissioned salespeople. We're all on salary here, so we'll be able to help you out. We don't play games. I'll try to offer you a great value. These have been through a 122-point inspection. As you can see by our little sill up there where we check everything out. Oil, brakes, filters. We do it all. We're a full-service dealership here. Best service department in the country. But I'm going to check off here. Thank you.